Hello guys, how are you? Today I will show you how to change your TP-Link router default administrative password. I'm going to the TP-Link admin dashboard 192. My dashboard URL is 192.168.0.1. Enter. I'm telling about this admin authentication, username and password. That is default TP-Link username and password is admin and admin. So it can be hacked by any one of your of your neighbors or some people who want to hack your Wi-Fi router, and they can use your router easily, Wi-Fi easily. So I am going to show you how to change this default username and password. So log in, and then you have to go to system tools, then go to this section password. So here you have to give the old username and password. My old username is admin and password is admin. So I want to change this, so I want to make this like developer Medi. Then my password will be 123456 12345. So I am saving this, so it wants the username and password again, admin, then admin. So I am going to log in this, and it is not authenticated, so it is already changed. Then I am going to the username developer Medi. The password is 123456. This is the username and this is the password. Then try again to log in. Click on login. Yes, it's worked. So it is really easy to change this. So people cannot log it in and do not know what is my password of TP-Link. So thank you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more videos of me, please subscribe and click on bell button to get immediate videos of mine. And if you like my video, please like and comment and share. Thank you guys.